What if I told you the most terrifying predator after the dinosaurs was a giant bird that couldn't even fly? No wings, no mercy, just speed, claws, and a deadly beak. They were called forest racids, but most know them by their chilling nickname, terror birds. These flightless giants stood up to 10 feet tall and could run over 40 miles per hour. They weren't scavengers, they were hunters, using their massive hooked beaks to slam down on prey like a hatchet. One bite could crush bones. They roamed South America for millions of years, dominating the food chain long after the dinosaurs. And guess what? They were apex predators, not just over animals their size, but even mammals trying to rise to power. They didn't need wings to rule. Terror birds ran the world, literally. If you want more epic stories of ancient beasts that time forgot, subscribe now and explore Earth's forgotten monsters.